Hey there! If you're new here, welcome to my channel where we review the latest gadgets and give you all the tutorials you need to be a pro. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Wyze Cam V3 and show you how to set it up and give you a full review. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Wyze Cam V3 setup. The first thing you need to do is unbox your Wyze Cam V3 and plug it into a power source. Then, download the Wyze app on your phone and create an account if you don't have one already. Once you're set up, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to the app. It's super easy and should only take a few minutes. Once you're connected, you'll be able to view a live stream of your camera from anywhere in the world. Wyze Cam V3 review. Now, let's talk about the features of the Wyze Cam V3. This camera is packed with amazing features like 1080p HD video, night vision, two-way audio, and motion detection. Plus, it's weatherproof, which means you can use it both indoors and outdoors. One of my favorite things about the Wyze Cam V3 is the fact that it's so easy to use. You can control everything from the Wyze app on your phone, and even set up custom motion detection zones to get alerts only when something important happens. So, that's it for our Wyze Cam V3 setup and review. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.